What symbol is thought to bring good luck when found hanging above a door? Horseshoe, clover, dreamcatcher, bell. The correct answer is horseshoe. A pyromaniac has an uncontrollable urge to do what? Steal things, set fires, lie often, harm animals. The correct answer is set fires. The Egyptian Sphinx's body is modeled after which animal? Dog, cat, lion, horse. The correct answer is lion. In British English, what everyday baby item is called a pram? High chair, pacifier, baby stroller, bib. The correct answer is baby stroller. Besides fingerprints, which body part also has a unique print pattern? Tongue, elbow, knee, ear canal. The correct answer is tongue. What is the title of the autobiography written by activist and feminist Gloria Steinem? My Life on the Road, From This Moment, Little Girl Lost, Getting the Pretty Back. The correct answer is My Life on the Road. What medicine man and leader of the Sioux was also known by the native name Tatanka Ilatanka? Geronimo, Crazy Horse, Sitting Bull, Red Cloud. The correct answer is Sitting Bull. Which South Korean company introduced one of the first mobile phones with a built-in camera in 2000? LG, Samsung, Hyundai, Pantech. The correct answer is Samsung. Which city serves as the capital of Paraguay, a landlocked nation in South America? Port Moresby, Kingston, Asunción, Sao Paulo. The correct answer is Asunción. If you are standing in Italy and want to cross the border into another country, which of these places could you walk right into? Germany, France, Spain, Greece. The correct answer is France. If a doctor is using the proper scientific name to talk about your skull, what word are they using? Mandible, sternum, cranium, clavicle. The correct answer is cranium. The Big Dipper is part of which larger constellation? Orion, Ursa Major, Cassiopeia, Draco. The correct answer is Ursa Major. Where are red blood cells produced? Liver, bone marrow, spleen, pancreas. The correct answer is bone marrow. Which chemical is released during an allergic reaction? Dopamine, insulin, histamine, serotonin. The correct answer is histamine. Which tendon in the human body shares its name with a hero from Greek mythology? Achilles tendon, Atlas tendon, Apollo tendon, Hercules tendon. The correct answer is Achilles tendon.